All right, you guys, so we have a Galaxy cat. Don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good looking, but after we do the reveal, it's gonna be washed, and then we're gonna do Galaxy stars on this one like we did with the Galaxy turtle. So if you want to stay for that to see how that looks, that'll be at the end. Pretty much same colors I did on the Galaxy turtle because they turned out super duper awesome. Very Galaxy looking. And got a lot of orders right now, so that's pretty cool. Everybody wants some tie-dye. Sorry. Rubber bands. So I'm gonna get through the Sinew so we can just open it up and see it and you don't have to hear me talk. Here we go. Okie dokie, let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that's a kitty! Look at the kitty! Alright, you guys, so there's a spooky Galaxy cat. I'm gonna do the bleach stars after it's washed, and then remember, you always want to neutralize your bleach so that it doesn't ruin any of your shirts or your tapestries when you're done with it. So here's this, and we're going on to the next step. Make sure you wash it if you're following along.